Hello again and welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of losing money buying rug pull after rug pull and you want to find out how to make the scammers pay you back, this video is for you. I will show you how to quickly spot scam coins and turn the cards to your advantage so the scammers get scammed. YouTube is flooded with videos that explain how to set up a rug pull and steal people's money, and now it's payback time. If you have been trading meme coins for a while, you know the story. A new coin pops up, the price skyrockets in just a few seconds, the token looks good at first sight, so you enter the market and then BAM! The developer dumps all his coins and the rug gets pulled. It's so frustrating and it scares a lot of beginners away from trading meme coins. But I found a method to spot these shady developers and pull out your money before they drain the liquidity. This isn't some magic formula to get rich overnight, and it's definitely not financial advice. Think of it more like a way to turn the tables on scammers who keep running the same play over and over again. The idea is simple. When scammers launch a meme coin, they use a bundle bot like Pump.Fun to buy a big part of their coins with different wallets to hide their buy-ins and add liquidity in the market to manipulate the price. What happens next is this. The price goes up, people see a chart with green candles and get interested. They buy the coin, hoping for a 2x or a 10x, and when the token reaches a certain market cap, like 50,000 or 100,000, the scammer hits the sell button and dumps his bag, stealing all the liquidity and leaving the investors with nothing. They keep repeating this trick over and over again, it's just so annoying. There is a way to stop these scam tokens pop up in your feed. Simply click on the blacklist dev icon next to the token logo and you will never see their scam coins pop up in your feed again. It will save you a lot of frustration and money. If you can track these scammer wallets, you can see exactly how they work, and it's not a pretty sight. To spot a serial rug puller, open a chart that went to 0, filter the date by age and check the wallet of the first trader. This is mostly the dev wallet. Copy the address and paste it in SolScan to see all their tokens and trades. You can also click on the small crown icon above the chart to open the dev migrations in SolScan. Click on DeFi activities to see all the token transfers. A lot of these scammers create new coins every few minutes and pull the plug when investors come in. But if you know which coins they create, you can track and avoid them. It can take a while to build a list with scam wallets, but to save you some time, I have a list with dev wallets in my Discord server that you can download and import in Padre or Axiom. This is a great way to keep an eye on their moves. Scammers follow a pattern. They create a token, buy in with 10 solana or more, wait a few minutes until the market cap hits a nice round number like 20, 50 or 100,000, and then they sell their bag. This all happens very fast, so if you can buy in at the same time as they are and get out before they hit the sell button, you can cash out first and make them bleed. The goal is to grab a small win, maybe a quick 2x, and then walk away before the chart crashes. Of course, doing this manually is almost impossible, but that's where fast copy trading Telegram bots like Bloom or TradeWiz come in. I have video tutorials on how to use these Telegram bots on my channel if you need help setting them up for copy trading and tracking. You can buy a fixed amount, keep your slippage high enough to catch fast moving trades, set your take profit and stop loss order to protect your position, or you can even sell the second the developer sells. You can also use the automation feature on Padre to copy and paste scammer wallets and let the system copy their trades automatically. That way you don't need to sit at your screen all day refreshing charts. But you have to be realistic, there's always risk. Scammers can rug faster than expected, trades can fail, or the token might not pump at all. That's why you should never bet money you can't afford to lose. Keep your position size small, do some tests first with a little bit of solana, and remember that you can always walk away with a loss. Even a scammer doesn't always make money. But if this strategy works out for you, then instead of draining thousands from unsuspecting traders, scammers will get rugged instead. This video only gives you a starting point. I have invitation links to the Telegram trading bots and the Padre platform in the description below, and if you use these links you will get a discount on all your trades. Let me know what you think about this method, or if you have done this before, share your results with the rest of us. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and trade safely.